Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another tutorial. Today we will learn how to add currency converter widget on Blogger. So let's start the video and quickly go to currency converter widget. So here is the currency converter widget. We will copy the code from here. Here is the code and move to the back end of our website. So here we will paste the code and save it. Save it from here also. So let's refresh the website for confirmation. So here you can see currency converter widget is successfully installed. So that's all from today's video. We will inshallah meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.